this is Manjeet Kaur. I am an IELTS trainer and I provide the online classes for the IELTS academic and for the IELTS journal training. So those students who are interested to take classes for the IELTS academic and for the IELTS GT, they can enroll for my classes. So here I would like to discuss about or give you a more detail about the IELTS. So let's firstly discuss about what is exactly IELTS. So IELTS is an international language testing system that students give to work in abroad or to study in abroad. Okay, so if anyone is interested to go to abroad or go to foreign countries on the basis of the study, so they can pursue IELTS academic. And if those students who are interested to go into the abroad countries but on the work basis, they can go for the IELTS GT. So in the IELTS GT and IELTS academic, they have 4 modules, and each module we need to give 1 hour. Okay, so these 4 modules are writing, reading, speaking and listening. In the academic and GT, there are slightly difference in the writing, listening and reading, but the speaking is same for the academic and journal. So let's discuss about what exactly reading is, what is exactly writing, and what is speaking and what is listening. So in the IELTS speaking, firstly, it is IELTS speaking. So in the IELTS speaking, it is same for the IELTS GT, for the IELTS academic. Okay. So in the speaking, you will get 3 sections, section 1, 2 and 3. In the section 1, you will get few questions. Examiner will ask you few questions. The question can be based on any topic. It can be about your natives, about your relatives, about your neighbor, about your hobbies, interest. It can be any topic. Examiner can ask you. And then section 2. In the section 2 speaking, you will get a cue card. The cue card, exactly, you need to speak at least 2 minutes. 2 minutes is a minimum criteria. You can speak 3 minutes, 4 minutes. It is up to you. It is best if you want to speak, you should speak at least 2.5 minutes if you want to get a score. Okay. So in the speaking part 2, they will ask you any question. It can be based on any question. For example, I am asking you here a question, describe about your favorite cloth. So this is my cue card. Examiner will give me 3 hints. What is it? Why it is your favorite? Why do you like it? Or whom do you gift it? So examiner can ask you any cue card. You need to give the answer on this. You will get 1 minute to prepare it in the exam. And then section 3, that is exactly follow up. It is based on the cue card. Whatever examiner will ask you cue card, section 3 will be based on that cue card. And now let's discuss about the reading, writing and listening. So in the writing, there is a slight different in the IELTS academic, in the IELTS GT. We have 2 tasks in the writing, that is task 1 and task 2. Task 2 is same for the IELTS GT and for the IELTS academic. In the task 2, you need to write down an essay. The essay can be on a different topic. They can give you any topic. And basically, we have 5 types of essay in the IELTS academic and GT. For example, they gave you any topic. I am telling you here one example. Like marketing and promotion are the 2 key factors for a successful business. How do you agree with this concept? So here I have mentioned that how do you agree. They can ask you advantage and disadvantage. They can ask you opinion. They can say like agree or disagree. So it varies actually. In the task 1 for the academic is different. For the journal is different. In the task 1 academic, examiner can give you any bar graph, chart graph, line graph, any diagram they can provide you. You need to write at least 150 words on the task 1. And in the task 1 GT, there will be a letter. The letter can be a formal as well as informal. You need to write down 150 words on the basis of this. So this is about writing. Reading and listening. For the IELTS GT and academic, both are same. You will get the same 40 question in listening, same 40 question in reading in IELTS GT, even in the IELTS academic, but the level of difficulty varies. IELTS GT, exactly for the GT's listening and reading is little bit easy as compared to for the academic, and in there you will get 1 hour for the writing, for the 1 hour for the reading, 1 hour for the speaking, 1 hour for the listening. So you need to solve within the time period. The band score you can achieve based on your performance.